Task 2 Entertainment, DMV Vixen, Stamp TV presents We Got Now Concert Series, hosted by Miss Kitten and the #1 Bishop Twan, all going down at Asphyxis Lounge, 1929th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. Wednesday, August the 31st. Doors open at 8:30 to 2 a.m. Come and experience one of the best shows featuring some of DMV hottest local artists. Also, meet some of the hottest local online radio station and video production crews like Stamp TV, Tight Knit Radio, DMV Talks Radio, Music is Life Magazine, Zobi Magazine, D1 Magazine, and many more. Ladies free before 10 p.m. Get your advance tickets for $15 or VIP tickets for $30 by calling Task 2 Entertainment at 202-556-8616. Again, that's 202-556-8616. Or you can go online at www.task2entertainment.biz. Don't forget, Wednesday, August the 31st, doors opening at 8:30 to 2 a.m. featuring some of DMV hottest local artists, all going down at Asphyxis Lounge, 1929th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. We Got Now Concert Series. Be there. Task 2 Entertainment.